Let me just quickly wipe. Oh wow, that burnt. Okay.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, I'm gonna be making a chicken wrap. It's gonna be a wrap, but then I'm gonna turn it into like sushi kind of thing. It's got some chicken in there, some avocados, tomatoes, some parsley I think we got. So yeah, just stay tuned, see how it goes and enjoy. But before any of that, make sure you follow me on Instagram, MosToosifar. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at MosToosifar as well. And enjoy the show. Right guys, so here's the starter pack that we need for our sushi wrap. Well, it's gonna be a wrap, but we're gonna turn it into a sushi. So the starter kit that is, we've got lime, avocados, parsley, tomatoes, diced up chicken breast, and we've got some cheddar cheese. What I'm going to start off to do is chop up these, put them in a bowl, and then I'll show you what we've got to do next. So step by step. I'm going to put half of it to a side. Gonna need that one later, maybe to do a better presentation or so. We'll see. If I need it, I'll use it. If I don't need it, then we'll just eat it. You know what I mean? Right, chop it all up nicely. Get that one. Chop it up. Chop it up. Right. You can go here. Stick it in there. That's it. You can get the juice in there and all, that's fine, not a problem. Then what you want to do, get rid of that, dice these up. This is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Right, do that, that's fine, pour that in there. Done, right? What you want to do now, get your avocados, just ever so. Right? And then just give it a gentle twist, easy as that. Put that in there, twist it, pop it out. And then you've got to struggle to get out of your knife. Right, and then that's why I've got the spoon to just dig it out nicely. So what you see when what do you call it, online, it really does work. They get a spoon, empty it out just like so. Okay, put that one there, get rid of that. Do that one as well. Right, but you need to get, because some avocados, they're not ready yet, they're quite hard, so the skin won't peel off easily. Anyway, do the same with the second one. You just want to dice it up. Nothing special or anything particular. Just chop it up into small bits, that's all. And then you want to get that in there and all. There's that, okay. And then you want to get a good scoop of yogurt in there. That's yummy. Back in the fridge. You want to get some of that cheese, stick it in there. A little bit more, that's fine, okay. And now all we're going to do, save that for later, put the lime on, we're going to chop it up and pour it in there, but we'll do this once we put the chicken in there and all, so it stays fresh. Leave that for a side. Right, so let that heat up, get the one with the grill going on. The pan with the grill, it's a little bit better at this situation. Let it heat up, put some oil in, and then we're gonna throw in the chicken. Not a lot, there you go. Simple. Just go everywhere. Give it 2 minutes. I'll be ready. And then we're gonna throw this in. Let me get my spoon. Right. I think that's good. We'll just throw them in there. There's that. Right. Now, what you're going to do, spread it out so it cooks evenly. And what you want to do, add a bit of salt, pinch of salt, and pinch of pepper. Okay. We also got some paprika as well. Be generous with that. And yeah, let it go on. Look at that, lovely. Give it a stir, marinate it. Nice, quick, simple, easy. Right. Amazing, amazing. Right. Just pat it out so it balances out and it cooks evenly, nicely. You don't need to worry about some bits not cooking, some bits cooking, whatever. Let that go on. Once it's cooked, I'll show you this. Right, guys. So this is our chicken. What I did was leave it to cook. As you can see, some bits are there. I kind of, can you see that, guys? Yeah, it looks a little bit dry. That's fine. That's what we kind of want it to be. We don't want it to be soggy or juicy. I extracted some of the oil from there once it was cooked, and I let it go a little bit crispy. Yeah. So a couple of more minutes. I'm gonna take this, pour it into there, put the lime juice in there, mix it up, and then bada bing, bada boom. We're ready to go. So give me a few more minutes, just a quick update this was. I'll be back with you shortly. Right guys, here's the fun part. Turn it off, that's ready. All you want to do is pour your chicken in there. Alright, get the whole thing in. Get rid of that. Let me just quickly wipe. Oh wow, that's burnt. Okay, that melted. Never mind, don't do that at home, guys. Yeah. Okay. That was interesting. Right, so what you want to do? Get your lime, pour it in there. Right. Get every bit out. Oh, that guys, that melted cloth stinks. It's microfiber as well, so it's like plastic. So it really stinks. Ugh. Anyway, get the juices out, every bit. Yeah. Hope you guys can see. There's that. And then just a touch of salt. And then a small touch of pepper. Right. What you want to do now, because you can see that, I'm just going to bring it here. Is that better? Yeah, what you want to do is just mix everything up. Right? Mix up the whole shebang. Look at that. It squishes everything together. The cheese gets melted with the hot chicken, the yogurt, the lime juice, everything goes together. It's like, you know, it's kind of like a salad now, if you like. Yeah, mix it all up. Get yourself a wrap. I'll show you that in a second. I think we're almost ready. So, this is basically ready now, guys. As long as everything's mixed in well, you can see a good, nothing's like left out, everything's blended in together. Let that be. And so you want to get yourself a wrap, put it like there, get that. Right. You don't want to put too much because you want to be able to roll it up and then you want to make it into a, you know, I'm trying to make a sushi here. But no fish, alright? Chicken. Because that's what we like here. Alright, let's see how this is going to go. Never done this one, so this is going to be also new to me as well. Well, there you go. Right? And now, what you want to do, just roll it. Okay, get your knife. Those end bits you probably won't use, but just like so. Press down gently so you don't squeeze it all out. Those end bits can go to one side, don't need them. And then you got your ready presented halfway plate here. Pick it up, place it down, get the next one, and so on. Just going to quickly make one more so we don't feel so left out here. Please don't fall on me. I don't want it to fall out because it could make quite a big mess. Like so, I think that's easier actually. Alright. Fill up your plate with your nice lovely sushi. Right, you're not going to leave it out. Guys, I can't help it. So yeah, we've got some more leftovers, that's fine. You can always put that in the fridge and do it later. There you go. Your nice, I'm going to say maybe chicken sushi. Comment below what you guys reckon, what's a good title for this. You got your chicken in there, avocados, tomatoes, parsley. You can add onions in there and all, but I don't really like them, so I didn't. But yeah, that's your chicken sushi, or what let's call it. I think it suits best. Chicken sushi, guys. Bon appetit. See you next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share on my YouTube videos. See you next time.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up